Creating a chart in Google Sheets is not only easy, it's pretty amazing of what you get. So here is my Google Sheet, and I want some of this data to be turned into a chart. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight some of it. Okay, you see I did highlight the header as well. Alright, so now I'm going to go over to the Create a Chart button. That's over here in the three dots. It's right here, Insert a Chart. Click on that. And when I do, it's going to create a chart for me. And here's my chart. Look at that. I even have a key up here on the top, as well as all of the different bars from all of the data that I've collected. This is amazing. And as the data changes within my Google Sheet, the chart will change as well. It's like it's liquid. And there's a lot of different customizations that I can do in here, from colors to etc. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.